Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had a fantastic day of trading today. Today I thought I'd do a follow-up video for my prior talking about great stocks to day and swing trade with. As you guys know, I'm a conservative investor. The majority of the portfolio is blue chip companies, blue chip stocks with high dividend yields. And by high dividend yield, that is 4 to 6%. They're essentially mature companies that are hybrid growth and dividend income yield. They're not high-risk stocks like penny stocks or business development companies, although I do have those in the portfolio. They're typically stocks that you can buy and hold for the longer term. But I also like to do some day and swing trading with my portfolio. And the problem I've been having is that the stocks I've been doing that with, I also have long-term holds in that particular stock. And as you guys know, there are big advantages for getting long-term capital gains as well as qualified dividends with regards to tax exposure. So if you don't qualify your dividends, if you don't get long-term capital gains rates before you before you sell off a stock, buying it 1 year prior to that sell-off, you're going to have much higher taxes. And that's really the problem I'm having with the stocks I'm doing my day and swing trading with. So I kind of talked about this in the last video, wanting to get into some different stocks, kind of put it out there, soliciting opinions from you guys. What are some good stocks today and swing trade with that aren't penny stocks necessarily and are stocks that you can hold for the longer term? And AMD came up quite a bit, and I definitely agree with that opinion. I have been invested in AMD for quite some time, and in the past I even did some day and swing trading. You can see the last swing trade I did was back in July 2016. The last day trade I did was February 27th, 2017. You can see that trade up top there. Just made $11 or so. But I do think AMD is a great stock that's not a penny stock that you can day and swing trade with. It's a very low dollar value here, $12.73. So you can buy quite a few shares of that. And the very key point about this stock is this graph here. You can see the tremendous variability in the price of the stock going up and down, and you really need this to have very good swing trades and day trades. If you don't have this kind of variability, if this was essentially flatlined here, you would not have any entry points or exit points to do any day or swing trading with. So I do like AMD. I think I'm definitely going to jump in and do some day and swing trades with this particular stock. I apologize, I can't remember exactly who mentioned this on the last video. I will give you guys a shout out, but I think this is a perfect stock. The only drawback is that it does not have a dividend yield. You can see that on the bottom here, 0% dividend yield. And the other problem is that technology might be a little bit oversold right now. You can see over the last year, AMD is up 67.28%. Over the last 5 years, 243.13. And this is really consistent throughout technology stocks. So it might be a little bit risky jumping into this stock to do some day and swing trades with. If the stock price does not go my way and I have to hold for the longer term, there may be a little bit of a pullback in the market overall. I do anticipate that's going to be happening at some point in the near term, 6 months to 1 year. So this might not be the best stock, but it has all the characteristics of the stock I'm looking for. It's not a penny stock, so it's not going to be opened up to the very high volatility and risk that you'd have with holding penny stocks overnight or holding for a week or two up to a few months. It does not have that. It also has some long-term growth potential. And it also has a great price point, $12, so it's not a $50 or $60 stock. It's a little bit harder to do day and swing trades with stocks that are so expensive. And it's got great variability in the price of the stock as well. And this is probably the most important thing when taking a look at stocks to do some day and swing trading with. So I'm going to jump into AMD. I'm going to do some day and swing trades, probably starting off a little bit low, maybe $1,000 to $5,000 day and swing trades, and kind of see how it goes from there. But again, I want to thank you guys for suggesting this stock. There's also some other stocks suggested. Of note, I think Nokia was mentioned. That might be a great contrarian investment play. Not quite sure about that. Have to take a look at that stock. I think Vail was mentioned. IRDM. I'll have to take a look at that video. Maybe do some shout outs to all the great suggestions on that video. But I think out of all of those, AMD is definitely on the top of my list. I'm going to jump in and do some day trades. So let me know what you guys think about AMD. Is this a great day and swing trading stock? Is this not a great stock because of the technology bubble? Maybe a pullback in the market? Maybe the technology sector is oversold, including AMD here up 67.28% over last year. That's quite remarkable here. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have AMD in your portfolio already or what you guys are doing with any great day and swing trades that aren't necessarily penny stocks. I am going to be doing some penny stock trading, but I don't want to do penny stock trading right now with large dollar amounts, $10,000, $15,000. I don't want to do that. I definitely want to do that with stocks that I'm more than happy to hold for the longer term if I can't get out of trade. So let me know either way. Not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Again, if you guys have any great ideas for day and swing trading stocks that have a low dollar amount, maybe less than $15, but aren't penny stocks, you don't have that high risk or variability with the price of the stock, let me know. Because you want a stock like AMD that has some price variability, but not, or it's dropping 50%, going up 80% like penny stocks. Well, you don't want that. These swings here are perfect. 27 up, 8%, 20 down to 16, 7. This is perfect stock for doing day and swing trading with. But either way, let me know. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here, and we'll see you guys next time.